After receiving the product, take out the microinverter and the solar panel and check whether they are intact. Next, refer to the installation manual for the bracket and install the bracket onto the solar panel. Then, find a suitable position on the bracket to install the microinverter. Plug the plug group on the solar panel into the input port of the inverter. Connect the inverter and the Schuko plug cable. Next, plug the Schuko plug cable into the socket to complete the entire circuit connection. Finally, fix the installed solar panel to the balcony railing to complete the entire installation. Now you can enjoy free energy to your heart's content and save on your home electricity bill.